Hello everyone, I am Satyanarayan Raju, Director Business Development at Mind2i. I am extremely delighted to share key elements of our well-structured, career-oriented training programs. At Mind2i, we strongly believe that successful career doesn't begin with skills alone. It begins with right mindset. That's why one of our key component of our approach is to provide mindset training to all the students who join us. All our training programs are very well designed to help students break their mental barriers and remove self-doubts and create the right attitude needed to build their life goals and career fulfillment. Whether you are a student or have completed your graduation, we will guide you shift from confusion to clarity, fear to confidence, and hesitation to action. And we also provide counseling sessions to students find their challenges and experience their potential, and we will help them to build their confidence through our structured mindset training programs. In addition to mindset, we have very well structured career development programs at Mind2i. 3 particular programs which we primarily focus on. The first one is GPIC. It means getting placed in campus, particularly for the college students who want placement before their graduation. Second program we designed is Fast Phase. For the students who have completed their graduation and immediately they want a job, by providing training in Python to AI. The third one is very exclusive training program for corporate professionals is Go Places. For the professionals who have experience and wanted to upskill and wanted to go for better placement with better package. So my dear friends, in Mind2i, we just want to train people. We transform them as confident and job-oriented professionals. What are you waiting for? Visit our website, get complete details, and enroll for the program which you really deserve and feel relevant to you. I'm sure and I assure you, the decision you take today and now will change your life forever, and it will open a new world of opportunities for you. I'll see you there. Thank you.